Creating a bundle is a fantastic way to boost AOV and profitability from an ad campaign. Problem is, you usually are at the mercy of someone else building it for you. I got to go to the site team to put a bundles detail page together that I can reference. I need to go and ask the logistics team how we're going to handle this. I might even need to involve the data team. By the time it's all said and done, it's just not worth it. But what if you had full control over building a bundle and you could build a bundle for any ad you wanted in seconds? Well, that's where our new bundle builder comes in. So let's show you how it works. All right, so inside of FERMÁT from the products page here, building a bundle is as easy as clicking add a bundle, selecting the products that I want to include in this. So let's select some of the FERMÁT swag here. Let's pick some of these green guys. And since we're going for like a green theme here, we'll call this the green gifts. So all the products are in here now, and the price of this bundle is a reflection of the price of everything that's in here. But obviously, if you're going to be using this for acquisition purposes, you might want to discount this to a different price or a better price than just buying all of these individually. So I'm going to set a 10% discount on this. So the price of this bundle is going to be $90. From here, I can also add images. So I have an image of this bundle put together already that includes some of the products. And then I have the hat in here, so I'm going to include some hat images, some water bottle images, and the crew neck and tote. So I'm going to apply that. Now I have the products that are in here, the discount, a name, and the images I want to use to merchandise this. I'm just going to simply click save. And now I have this bundle together here that is already put into a CRO optimized layout for the entire bundle. And one of the best parts of this is if you put a bundle together that has different variants, like this crew neck with the sizes, your customer is going to be able to simply select the color and size they want, or flavor, scent, that sort of thing directly from within the bundle builder. So obviously this is huge because if all of these are going to be individual products and just showing to the end customer as a bundle, it means that you don't actually have to change anything logistically. When someone places an order, these items are going to hit Shopify just like if they were bought on the site. The only thing that's changing is how you're merchandising this to the customer. So you're going to have full control over what you want to say in the ad and making sure that that experience matches all the way through here without needing to change anything logistically at the warehouse, the 3PL. And once this bundle starts selling through, you're going to actually get data such as how often it's added to cart, how often it's purchased, and what the GMV and profitability of this bundle is. So you're going to be able to compare bundles to bundles. So by doing this in just a few seconds, you're going to be able to find the best bundles possible because you're going to throw as many darts as the dartboard as you want. There's no limit on how quickly you can build these and how quickly you can add them into your ads. So that's how fast and easy this is, but let's go over a few examples of how you might use this bundle builder with some real examples from FERMÁT. All right, so let's go through a few examples of how brands are using this bundle builder. So this first example here is Wrinkle Schminkles, and this is interesting because they're actually testing a hypothesis using the FERMÁT bundle builder, which is a slight variation to an existing bundle they use all the time. So they have, let's call it a best sellers kit. And they're actually just adding an additional product to it by using the bundle builder. So if we go into check out this bundle, there are the mainstay products as well as this silicone patch cleanser, which has been added in. Now, the hypothesis here is that we can keep conversion rate the same, keep our acquisition costs around the same as well, but boost AOV and boost profitability by pulling in a different product into here. So as the customer comes through, they add this to their bag, they're going to see that patching kit. They're going to be able to see all of the products that are inside of here, the price. And again, once this customer goes to check out, they're seeing that they're buying a kit. But on the back end, it is going to show to Shopify as all those individual products. So no logistical changes or anything needed. And Wrinkle Schminkles is able to use our shop experiments to compare these to each other and see which is having the higher GMV, which is having higher profitability, and evaluate if conversion rates and acquisition costs are holding constant. In a slightly different way to use our bundle builder, Beam has built a welcome kit bundle. So this is obviously designed as a hero product to use in acquisition efforts. So I'm able to scroll through here. They've made some customizations to this BDP by pulling in descriptions of the hero product as well as reviews of that hero product and then merchandising this with some free gifts. Again, the natural vanilla versus the oatmeal, I can switch between these and the visual is going to change. And if I check out with natural vanilla here, it's going to show in my bag as well. So this welcome kit has the protein and the 2 free gifts. And I love this because this workout sample pack, including it in here, that protein might last a month. That sample pack is going to last a few days, giving Beam a great reason to reach out to this customer with a potential upsell on the retention side of things. So a bundle here that is aimed to help on acquisition, but can also help with future retention efforts. But the main theme of what brands are doing with our bundle builder is they're able to have a hypothesis and they're able to experiment with that. I don't need to involve all these team members and go through a bunch of approvals. I'm able to kind of manipulate what the customer is going to see without making any changes to the back end or any of my tooling so that I can try these out, see what works. And if I find a winner that is absolutely crushing it, I can actually upgrade that and make those changes into the main site as well.